sure if I want to put on a plate, but like, you know, I guess the plate will get clean. So we got some ivory soap. I don't believe it matters what kind. I'm gonna get a bowl because like the edges, it smells so good. Smell it. Yeah. About to put it in the microwave. How long did you guys put it in there at film school? I don't know. Here we go. I'm not quite sure what to do, so I'm just about to do 30 seconds. Oh shoot. Oh, 3 minutes, I guess. Sorry, I hate it, cause like all them holes thingy. Well, I'll just be back when we're done. Guys, look what just happened. Brian, can you show him? I gotta fix this.
What's up, guys? Get this ready. This is what just happened. Ivory soap inflated.
That's so weird. Hey, can't get this in. Ryan!
Sorry.
Whoa! Dang! Look at this. It's like, oh my gosh. It's like slime. It's actually like a fidget. DIY fidget toys. Nah, I'm gonna. Guys, it's just exploding my microwave right now. You know what? I'll just take it out. Oh, and
Quick! Pull it out! Pull it out!
dang!
You can't touch
What?
it.
Yes, touch it.
Ah!
Dang! Just look how massive. Oh! 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 It's all over the. Yeah.
If you're making a mess, you gotta clean it up.
We know. Dang.
So let's not make any more messes.
We know. Oh my gosh, but really not. Oh. Let's wash our hands. Oh, it burns. Feels good. It's like marshmallow. And you can still use it as soap as well. Check on my hands. Clean as a whistle. And then bubbles.
Let me try some. I'm gonna
Wash your hands, boy.
Oh my god.
And you can use them.
Oh my god.
You can use them as like a fidget as well. Bro, this is amazing.
Whoa, it's actually soap still.
Yeah, duh. Dang, and then look at this part. This is like the leftover from the bar. And it's just like, oh, feels like potatoes. Potatoes. Whoa.
Actually, look at this.
This is like flipping chicken, bro. Sorry, Mom, if you don't like that one. Bristle, I see. Chicken strong. And it kind of has like, when it freezes, it kind of has like a waxy substance.
I like to, like, I can't stop touching it.
All right.
But it's so hot.
All right.
More pieces.
If I could show you, like, oh my gosh.
I wish you guys could feel this.
I know. You guys need to try this at home, I swear.
Make sure you get ivory soap, and then we just did it for at least 3 minutes, maybe.
Yeah, more like 2 minutes, 30 seconds. But it just gave us a huge reaction. But it made a big heck of a mess. Sorry, Mom. Chop.
It feels so good.
We'll see you guys later. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, put on those post notifications. Cause put in the comment section if you want me to post daily, cause I got you guys. I might go on a posting spree this weekend. See you guys later.